Rica Peralejo nagbigay ng opinyon sa pag-unfollow ni Catherine kay Daniel. Halina't panoorin natin ang buong detalye. Rica Peralejo nagbigay ng opinyon sa pag-unfollow ni Catherine kay Daniel. Ayon nga sa kanya, to unfollow people on social media is not immaturity. It is an issue of control. It is an act of agency, especially when we unfollow abusers, gaslighters, or people we associate with the root of our oppression. It is then an empowering practice to say, even in a small way, that you cannot do this to me anymore. Kahit kasi hindi naman ako galit, syempre may reaction pa din yung katawan ko to them. Body keeps the score. Body associates with the pain. Dala na din ng intensity, frequency, length of time na nangyari sa akin ang mga nangyari sa akin. So kahit forgiven na, need to manage aftershocks, lalo if malakas pa. One thing I did last year was indeed unfollow certain people. Noong una kasi kinakaya ko pa unbothered acting. Pero every single time may post, naalala ko na naman ang ginagawa sa akin, so nainis lang ako. Kahit na di naman ako nagre-react online sa kanila, sabi ko parang I don't need this naman. I can just unfollow for my own health. And it felt good. I guess also the ability to control in certain places gives you back the agency, lalo na if the root of the issue is oppression and abuse. Sana ma-feature din yung mga in-unfollow ko. Joke lang, hindi sila mga kilala. Natawa lang ako. Sa ngayon, huwag kalimutang mag-like at subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, Celian Beats, para updated kayo sa celebrity issues at ganaps. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.